Good morning, everybody. We had a record 133,000 tests to 8 p.m. yesterday, which is a great result. We encourage people to keep coming forward.
Hello, today I present to you an extremely attractive application for music lovers. It's completely free. You can listen to music online or download unlimited music to use whenever you don't have internet. The powerful search function helps you find anything you want. Trust me. It's hard not to find what you're looking for because the search function is really powerful. Application download link is attached in the description of the video. I'm pretty sure you'll like it. Thanks.
Get tested to make sure we're scooping up all the cases that are out there in the community. There were 283 cases of community transmission, with at least 64 of them infectious for that time in the community. Horribly, we had one death overnight, a woman in her 90s who was in palliative care. She was unvaccinated, but our deepest heartfelt condolences to her loved ones. All deaths are horrible during this time, and again, we extend our deepest sympathy to her loved ones at this difficult time. The epicentre of the virus in New South Wales and Sydney still remains the Canterbury-Bankstown local government area. We are seeing some stabilisation in other local government areas, but that local government area is proving to demonstrate the virus is still circulating, and we also ask people in those adjoining local, or suburbs I should say, in those adjoining suburbs to the Canterbury-Bankstown local government area to especially be on high alert. That remains the greatest challenge for us, and it's where the compliance, the police are focusing their efforts as well to make sure people are doing the right thing. So we please ask everybody in that local government area to be especially careful, not to leave home unless you absolutely have to. And of course, we're asking people not to go into those areas unless it's absolutely essential. You should not be going anywhere near those local government areas if you live outside those communities. Please know that is proving to be an ongoing threat. Unfortunately, somebody from Newcastle went to Tamworth, and there's a number of exposure sites in Tamworth. There aren't any cases there yet, but we do know the person went from Newcastle to Tamworth and visited a number of locations. So as a precaution, the health experts have recommended that we lock down Tamworth for 1 week, starting from 5 o'clock today. I understand there's already been discussions with community leaders and people on the ground in that area. So there aren't any cases yet, but there have been a number of confirmed exposure sites because somebody left Newcastle and went to Tamworth who was infected at the time. There's also a call out for everybody in and around the Byron community to come forward and get tested. So the Northern Rivers community is on high alert at this stage. There won't be any further action taken, but I understand, and Dr. Chant will elaborate, that there is a case there. Someone who's been mobile, and of course health are still determining the extent of that mobility and where they went. So we are calling out everybody in Byron in the Northern Rivers community who has any symptoms to come forward and get tested, and the health experts are watching that community very closely. Today is a positive day for HSC students in those local government areas of concern. We're looking forward to welcoming them all to Kudos Bank Arena today and having them vaccinated. We know how key the vaccination is, not just to obviously preventing people from going into hospital, but from reducing the spread. And we're especially pleased that we're giving HSC students the opportunity to safely sit their exams, to make sure they're vaccinated by the time their exams roll around. And I want to thank all those students who've already registered, those that are turning up, and we hope to see thousands vaccinated during the course of this week.